Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope all of you are doing great. Sorry for the break because I was giving my exams, so the break was needed. Anyways, let's begin our productivity, shall we? In this video, I'll share with you my top 10 tips to stay on fitness track and work out consistently. Stay tuned and watch this video till the end. Number 1. Google Reminders. Most of us are having smartphones that got Google Assistant. Just ask it to remind at your workout time. Some people like that push from others to move on. So in that way, Google can be very useful. Number 2. Fitness apps. If you want to work out but don't know how to start and what to do, also if you don't want to go to gym in this pandemic, fitness apps can be your instant solution. There are a bunch of them available on Play Store for free. Just go through ratings and information depending upon your choice of workout. Choose the app and you're good to go. If you don't know how to select them, let me know in the comment section below. I'll make a video on the same and help you out. Number 3. Trigger time. Although I would suggest you to work out at any time as per your convenience, some people get the drive only at a particular point of time, like morning, evening, etc. You need to figure out at what time you're comfortable and start working out accordingly. Number 4. Be consistent with the trigger time. As I said earlier, I would ask you to work out at any time. But if you're a beginner, once that trigger time is done, you might not feel interested in working out after or before the trigger time. So for such people, it is important to be consistent with their schedule. Just maintain the discipline, you'll see wonders coming your way. Number 5. Trigger place. Time is done. Now what about place? If you're going to gym, it is fine. But at home, not every place makes you feel like working out. So you need to find out a place that makes you feel comfortable. Whenever you go there, you should feel that pump. Number 6. Use music. It has been scientifically proven that people who work out with music are able to do well than the people who don't. Be selective with your music. Prepare a playlist of songs that keeps you moving. You can see yourself spending that extra time in working out. Don't neglect this point at all. Number 7. Motivational pictures. This is generally overseen, but trust me, this plays a huge role. If possible, in your workout area, have few pictures that motivates you. If that's not possible, you can have it on your phone as well. Now again, the word motivation is largely misunderstood. Don't keep pictures you envy or the pictures that make you get disappointed with your own self. Try to keep them in realistic way, like your own transformation progress or people who are lean and aesthetic, like Milind Soman, Baba Ramdev, Mahesh Babu, Nasriya Naseem. These are realistic bodies. If you aim for Hrithik Roshan, you will be done within 2 days. Don't do that mistake. Number 8. Healthy environment and friend circle. Now, if you're driven and don't care about others' opinions, you'll shine any day. But if you're such a person who take it to your head, it is important to have right people around you who can help you to grow in your life. If they're like, bah, diet you, ha 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 ha, then it doesn't work. So, choose your circle wisely. Number 9. Set realistic goals. As I said earlier, with realistic motivation, same goes for goals as well. If you don't know how to set them, use Healthify Me app. If you don't know how to use it either, I had already made a video on it. I will give that link in the description below. You can check it out later. Number 10. Make it as a lifestyle. Any fitness journey should not be seen as a load on your head or a goal to be achieved. If you see it as such, either you try to get rid of that load or once you achieve that goal, you will compromise again. So it's always better to make it as a lifestyle. 20 to 40 minutes a day, 3 to 4 times a week for the rest of your life, so that you can use your body to its fullest potential. After all, it's your own body. Who will take care of it if not for you? That's it for today, guys. Hope you like this video, and if you like it, don't forget to share with others. Also hit that LSB buttons like subscribe and bell icon buttons so that you'll get instant notifications whenever I'm online. Thank you so much for watching.